Hello guys, welcome to my HTML series, and in this series I will share my knowledge with you. And if you are ready to learn HTML, let's get started. Okay, first you should open your browser, and I introduce you a good website called W3 School, and here you can learn many languages, as you can see in the bottom here: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, PHP, Bootstrap, and yeah, etc. It is an open source, you can use it. So in this series I will show you and teach you the HTML. What is HTML? HTML is stand for hypertext markup language. Okay, it is a standard markup language for creating web pages. Uh, Actually, it HTML describe the structure of a web page. What you see in the web page as HTML elements, such as heading, such as button, such as paragraph, and etc. Everything you see in a web page is HTML tags. Okay, it describe actually the structure of a web page. Yeah, and here is a simple document of HTML. Doc type HTML, it defines it that this document is an HTML document. Okay, and this tag start with HTML and end with HTML. The HTML element is the root of an HTML page. Okay, and we have also head. This element contains meta information about the web page, about HTML page. Okay, it is just it is just a title for a web page. Yeah. Here, for example, you see introduction to HTML. It is a title. Okay, and you can give any title you want for your web page. Yeah, that's what we have in the body, like heading and like paragraph. It's defines the document's body, and it's a container for all the visible content, such as heading, paragraph, images, and hyperlinks. Okay, table, and you have many things in the body. Yeah, this is a simple introduction of HTML. And if you are ready, let's create a program, write a program, okay, to see ready in practice. So I already installed the editor like Visual Studio Code, and you can use Notepad, Notepad++, etc. Okay, I'm going to use Visual Studio Code. I already installed. It's very easy to install. Visual Studio Visual Studio Code, as you can see here, I already installed, and I'm going to open this. Okay, and let's write an HTML program. Okay, so I created also a folder on my desktop, HTML. Okay, and let me delete this, move to trash. So click here, new file. Okay, type, give a name, everything you can give, but I am going to give HTML index.html. Okay, and the first thing, it's start with HTML. Okay, every HTML files start with HTML. Okay, and end with HTML. It is the root. It is the root of an HTML. Okay, as we saw here HTML, and now we can give a head. Okay, it start, and it is an information about the document, like we can give title, first program Okay, and this is the heading, and we have also body. What we have in the body is visible on the website. For example, we can give heading. In HTML we have H stand for heading. We have H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Okay, I can give H1 start and end. Okay, this is the start tag and this is the end tag. What you write here inside the tag, it will be visible on the web page. For example, this is my first HTML program. Okay, or you can write just, for example, hello world. Yeah, this is just a simple HTML document. It is very easy, you write. And now let's see in practice what we can see. So first I have to install live server that we can see. Okay, this is just extension. I installed that, and now let's run this. Right click and open with live server. Click on that. See, this is our first HTML program. Hello world. Congratulations. And now you can write many things like H1 hello world, welcome to HTML series. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks. Let's save this. Okay, and run it again. Right click, open with live server. See, welcome to HTML series. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Congratulations guys, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe my channel, and we will see each other in the next video.